Foamatic Review 2020. Keep yourself safe. Foamatic Reviews 2020. Watch this before buying to hear you get to know about an automatic hand wash device, and don't miss our 50% off fire sale. It's ending soon. Do you want to stay more hygienic by not touching a hand wash bottle affected by many others? Wait for Foamatic. We are writing this article before the launch of the product because there will be specific Foamatic reviews that will be labeling it as a fake product. And we want our readers to be sure that no, this is not a scam. This device is 100% legit. If you read about Foamatic scam anywhere, do not trust that review. An automatic hand wash device is expected to launch in just 48 hours from now, and that too with an exclusive offer, 50% discount. The device will prevent you from getting infected from any of the viruses. It will be initially launched in the United States, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Germany, France, and Italy. With the increase in pollution and virus in today's time, everyone wants to keep themselves safe, and Top 10 Gadgets Shop has found the best automated hand wash device named Foamatic. What is Foamatic? You can purchase this with the launch to get up to 50% off. We are advised by the medical experts to keep our hands clean, which mean that we need to keep using a hand wash now and then. But how many people keep pressing the hand wash notch in a day? This is why a device that can work as an automatic hand wash is a must-buy. Foamatic is going to be that touch-free hand wash which won't be required to press all the time. Just like water sensor taps, this will work on the sensor system. This definitely will be the best hand washing device 2020. How to use Foamatic automatic hand wash. This device will be launched with a satisfaction guarantee policy for its customers. If you have ever used an automatic tap, then you might know how you can use this automatic hand wash. But if not, then here it is. All you have to do is keep your hands below the device that will release the hand wash liquid. Once the device senses your hands, it will automatically release the fluid through which you can wash hands. At the initial stage, they will have a limited stock available with free shipping. Why will be an automatic hand wash an exception? Any device that keeps your touch away from germs and viruses is going to be the best product for you. Without touching the hand wash bottle, you can stay more safe and protected from diseases. Where to buy Foamatic? Link in description below with 50% discount and free shipping. It reduces the chances of getting infected from diseases with 95%.